Hello everyone, finally NextJs 13 is here, and guys, now from today we're going to learn about NextJs 13. And guys, also we're going to learn how to create APIs in NextJs and how to fetch data in NextJs and how to create a full stack application in NextJs. And guys, we're going to learn everything in this project. And guys, right now, first guys, in this video I'm going to show you the new features of NextJs 13. And guys, from second video, then we will start building our NextJs 13 full stack application. So guys, now let's begin. So guys, first let me show you the feature of NextJs 13. So guys, you can see get started. So click on this, and guys, now here you will be in this page. And guys, you can see new app directory and new image, new font, and improved next link. These are new features of NextJs 13. You can see new app directory. And guys, now in NextJs 13 you will find this new app directory, but guys, right now it is in beta, but guys, soon it will be out of beta. And guys, also you can see new next image. This image is more faster than NextJs 12 images. And guys, also you can see new font, new next font. And guys, this is also in beta, but guys, soon it will be out of beta. And guys, then we will learn about this next font. And guys, also you can see improved next link. This next link is improved now guys. Now we don't have to use anchor tag inside next link. Now anchor tag, you can see like this. Now here we have to use next link. You can see this is the example of NextJs 12, and guys, this is the example of NextJs 13. And guys, you can see link always renders anchor tag. Now we don't have to use anchor tag inside link. It will always render anchor tag. And guys, in NextJs 12 we have to use anchor tag inside NextJs link, but guys, now we don't have to use anchor tag inside NextJs link. And guys, this is the best feature of NextJs 13. And also you'll find like this. You can see over here new app directory like this app. And guys, also you can find layouts, page.js. This is the new layout of NextJs 13. You can see page.js, navbar. You will not find these files like navbar or navbar.moji.css, but guys, you will find this page.js. This is the new feature of NextJs 13. And guys, also you can find, you can see like this, we can use inside page.js, and also you can see layout.js. And guys, new server component like this. You can see we can fetch data in NextJs like this. We can fetch data in page.js in NextJs 13. And guys, in NextJs 12 we have to use server-side rendering, server-side props, but guys, we don't have to use server-side props and server-side rendering in NextJs 13. But guys, also we can use server-side props and server-side rendering in NextJs 13. And guys, also I'm going to show you how you can use server-side rendering and server-side props in NextJs 13. And guys, also I'm going to show you how you can fetch data using this new feature. So guys, we're going to learn these beta versions later, but guys, first of all we're going to learn how to create an API, how to create a full stack application in NextJs 13. Then guys, after that, then we're going to learn these two features, app directory and new font in NextJs 13. So guys, now that's it. And guys, if you want to learn NextJs, then guys, please make sure to access our NextJs 13 playlist. So guys, and guys, also please make sure to subscribe to get NextJs 13 videos. So guys, now bye bye.